Welcome back to our channel. This is just real quick. So, I am also a brand ambassador for a company called Slay Cosmetics. Well, what we have going on right now is a raffle. It's $3. One, two, three. $3 to enter the raffle. The raffle has over $150 worth of products in it. I mean, everything from makeup to wigs to lashes, just so much, so much, so much. If you go to www.slayyedcosmetics.com, get you your raffle tickets. The raffle goes all the way to February the 28th, and the numbers or names, whatever, will be pulled a couple of days later. Get your ticket. It's $3. Tell me how else you're gonna be able to flip $3 into $450. I mean, you get a natural hair wig, makeup. I mean, come on, y'all. $3. And y'all can excuse the room, excuse my man, your girl gotta work while she working, so we gotta fit it all in. Okay? So that's how we doing this here. But again, do that. I mean, ladies, 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 $450 worth of stuff for $3. You hear what? Do you hear me? Come on. The brows are their pomade is the ebony. Oh, man, when I tell y'all, it went on so creamy. And not because they sent it to me because I went to on sales. It's the creamiest I have ever used. And it dries down so matte. I love it. The eyeshadow, it comes out of their diamond palette. These are their lashes. Don't kill me, y'all, 'cause I don't know the name. You said 16, they were pretty. The highlight, you can't see under this light, but it's a green and a rose mix. So the setting spray I use, and the other foundations and everything, lips are not theirs. But the eyes are theirs. The highlighter, theirs. The brows, theirs. The lashes, theirs. So definitely, and don't forget, if you go on the site and you use my code Lucky19, you get your savings off of all your makeup. If you use Lucky 19 or 18, don't forget the Slay Beauties membership. That gets you all the perks of being promoted on their pages and 35% discount off of your purchases and everything. So you can use my code to get a savings off of the membership, and then use your own code to get a savings. No brainer. No brainer. Like I said, short, sweet, to the point. Let's get this makeup thing going. Get yourself out there. Get you some merchandise for $3. Oh, and you can buy more than one ticket. Get your homegirls to buy some tickets. Come on. Come on. We got you. Okay. All right. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, share both pages. This one and Slay Beauties. Okay? Let's slay all of 20. What? Night 10.